Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how we unlock a car when someone's locked their keys in the car or the trunk, or maybe they've lost them and we need to get in here and make new ones. As you can see, the door is locked, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my air jack and I'm going to slide it in gently here in between the window seal and the window in the doorway. Next thing I'll do is just give this air jack some air. We'll pump it up to create a nice little gap for us to be able to reach in with one of our tools and unlock the door. So now I'll grab this reaching tool. We'll give this one a try first. If we can't get it, I'll use the other tool that I sometimes employ in these situations.